Hi, this is Chris with Sonoma Partners, and this is another installment in our video series entitled What's New in CRM 2011. Now today I want to talk to you about a new feature called the Dialog. The Dialog is similar to the workflow in that you have a series of steps that are going to be carried out, and different types of steps can happen along the way, updating information, creating new records, so on and so forth. But it adds a visual piece to it. So think of it as a way of creating wizards, or in this scenario we're going to show a way of doing like phone scripts, a way of walking someone through a script of asking questions and gathering information, and then being able to turn around and update a record. So for our scenario, we collect web leads, and they come in with just a little bit of information about who the lead is about, and they need more information. So we've created a little phone script for people to reach out to this lead and get more information, walk them through gathering this information, and then finally at the end of it, saving this information back to the record. So you can run dialogs right from the ribbon, and you just need to have your item that you want to run this against selected, and then run the dialog button. It'll show you all the available dialogs for this record. And then, so you go ahead and launch it, and it walks you through step by step, page through page, and you can design each page individually, and you can have one or more questions per page. So in this case, our first question is, what kind of information are we looking for? So we'll just put in something, basic in there. And you do also have the ability to capture comments along the way. In this session, this dialogue session, will be stored with those comments if you ever need to go back and check the dialogue session and read comments. Okay, so the next one is to gather some address information because we want to send them information. Okay, we'll put a Sweden number in there. Okay, we'll say we're from Chicago. Okay. And then finally, our last question, you do have the ability to do other types of input besides just basic text. You can also do drop-down radio buttons, and even different types like decimals, number, money, currencies. So in this case, we can have a drop-down that corresponds to the rating in the lead. So we'll make this a hot lead. Okay. And then you can even have just pages that are just basic, just some information. So this is a thank you, remind them to thank the lead. And then the next page, you get the end of the dialogue. You can press finish, close it out. And then what it's going to do is take that information and save it back to our lead. So now we can open the lead up, and we can see that the information we provided was stored and then applied to this lead. There's our title. There's the rating we gave it. Scroll down here, and we can see that it's put all the address. So you can do this for any field, on this record. You can do it to other types of records. Most records are compatible with the dialogues, and you can do quite a lot with it. The easiest scenario that we like to demo is just a simple phone script, but you can do quite a bit from it. And you can even launch other workflows behind the scenes while this dialogue is running to kick off other processes. And it's a very flexible process, very easy to use, a nice little wizard interface for creating it. So, in conclusion, Dialog is a great addition to CRM and adds a whole new dynamic to gathering information and standardizing certain processes like phone scripts, for instance. So, I want to thank you for your time and look forward to talking to you again soon.